Go. Go use the restroom. Go use the restroom, take a break. I'm not getting ready to walk out of here. Go ahead, take your time. Have you discussed your rights and options with Mr. Hadley? Have you discussed your rights with Mr. Hadley? Do you understand the options presented to you by those rights? For example, you have a trial, different kinds of trials. You understand all that? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt. A.K. Mohammed on behalf of the people. Judge, based off of my observations and things that have been brought to my attention, I believe I could respectfully request that the court consider referring the defendant to not proceed.
Yes, okay, I agree. I'm willing that I agree, yes.
Okay,
Look,
you seem to
yes,
be,
I understand what Kelly was doing.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, you seem to be having trouble processing my questions today.
This was very dramatic. Sorry.
Well, you know what? Then go use the restroom, come on back. I'm not, I want you in here as comfortable as you can be. Bathroom straight across the lobby. Go in.
What happened to the Brandon, how Marquise Brandon file?
Certified copy of your.
Yes.
Come on up. So this is before you went, because you have a hard time. Say I'm worried about it.
Oh, okay. Well, I feel better.
Good. So you don't, no one's picking on you, that's why he was like, I'm a little concerned.
All right, go back on.
Please, back on the record.
We're back on the record with Ms. Harris's file.
With this, Nicole Jones.
No. What'd I do with that file? Did I give you Jemison?
Put it in your notion, your
Oh,
other file that you're.
didn't think I did. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Okay. All right. I think we were trying to take the plea.
We were.
So you've discussed your rights and options.
Yes.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understand the possible penalty for the charge. Understanding that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Are you pleading guilty because you've decided this is a good deal for you, or because somebody's making you?
Oh, well, I'm with it. And this is everything.
Yeah, I've got a piece of paper that says you're pleading guilty to a reduced charge. The original charge would be dismissed. My question is, are you pleading guilty to that reduced charge because you think it's the best thing for you to do, or because he's making you, or somebody else is forcing you or threatening you?
So the original charge would be dismissed.
Correct. If you plead to the added charge. Is that what you want to do?
I'm not rich, I have all the.
It's got nothing to do with money, ma'am. The question is, are you pleading guilty today because you want to, or because you think somebody's making you?
No, because I want to just keep a clean record. Like,
Right.
or
That's not going to happen because the reduced charge is still going to go on your record. The penalties for the reduced charge are less than the original charge.
reduce.
Right. So impaired driving doesn't carry the same penalties as intoxicated driving.
Okay. Oh,
So the question's still the same. Want to plead guilty to the impaired driving reduced charge?
reduce.
Do you want to plead to that?
Yeah, reduce
Correct.
charge,
Less penalty.
less penalty.
Right. But are you pleading guilty to that because you think it's best for you to take the lesser charge?
The lesser charge.
Right, right. So nobody's threatened you.
No.
Okay, all right. So I got to figure out where this was at. On November 22nd, 2023, did you drive a car?
Yes,
Okay. And I'm still looking for the location. Was that on I-94 near Wayne Road in the city of Romulus?
yes.
Okay. Prior to driving that car that day, did you drink some alcohol?
So you had one before you drove. So you know, we were looking at the video and watching.
Yeah, okay. Yes, prior to, yes, because it was Thanksgiving. Okay.
Okay, okay. And did you take a breath test for the police?
I did.
Can you stipulate?
So the breath test came back below the limit, and then there was a retest where there was not a sufficient sample provided. There was a subsequent blood test. Blood test came back with 0.141.
Okay, okay. All right, are you satisfied the factual basis has been met?
I am.
All right, so Ms. Jemison, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dismiss the original charge. I've accepted your plea to the added charge. I'm gonna send you down to our probation department. They're gonna schedule with you to come back to be interviewed. They won't do the interview today, they're just gonna set up the schedule for it. Based on that interview, the probation department's gonna recommend to me what they think your sentence should be. Understood?
I understand.
When you come back for the sentencing, you'll have a chance to look at the report, go over the report with Mr. Hadley, and then talk to me about the report before I sentence you.
Oh.
Any questions? Okay. All right.
So is Judge. I think we kept him back to lunch.
Well, we'll get you downstairs and we'll get you out of here so you get some lunch.
She doesn't need to wait on a file. She just could have a check.
Correct.
Thank you.
Oh, ma'am. Call him.
Go downstairs, right below us, okay?
Okay.
I'll talk to you soon.
Do we know what we're doing with yours, Ms. Taylor? Okay, all right. All right, I've got the file ready.
All right. I'll talk to you soon, Mr. Johnson. You in the workshop?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Dinsmore,
Yes.
counsel, your appearance for Ms. Dinsmore, please.
Right. 456, Ms. Denmark, can you state your name, please? I need to speak a little.
Ms. Dinsmore, state your name for us, please.
Jean Dinsmore.
Thank you. Good morning. Go ahead, counsel.
Thank you.
Good morning.
For a preliminary examination.
Brianna, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here.
Oh, you're Brianna? Okay. Hi.
Yeah, they're looking to set for a preliminary examination. Paper discovery, this case is 10 years old, so I believe I got it. No, digital.
That doesn't surprise me.
Yeah,
Didn't we just give you a March 26th?
that was for, Reeves.
Yeah, give you the same day.
That's for Mr. Goldie. That was for Mr.
Oh, that was his. Okay. All right. Well, you want March 26th?
We do April 2nd?
I got April 30th.
Okay.
Why don't we,
I'm on the 26th, you have?
afternoon. Why don't we have morning?
I'm sorry?
Why don't we have more dates in April?
Because you're at the end of the way.
Oh, yeah, gotcha. Gotcha. 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2. Okay.
She realizes she has to be here in person.
What day is this?
March 26th, council. And you said 2 p.m.?
Yes.
Ms. Dinsmore, your next court date is going to be March 26th. That's a Wednesday, 2 p.m. But unfortunately, you got to drive for that one. That's live at the court in Romulus. Understood? You're muted. Understood?
I don't have transportation.
You're going to have to find it between now and March 26th. The only way I do these hearings is live in person.
Or we could do the. I'm sorry, I know you did this. We could do the April 30th, I guess, to give her more time to figure out a ride.
I can give you more time if you want. I can bump your court date out a little farther if that helps you.
Yes, please.
Got that change? All right, we're going to do April 30th, ma'am.
Okay.
Anytime that afternoon. It's 11 o'clock on.
11 works.
That's 11 a.m. on April 30, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then.
Are you the judge?
I am.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
That's where I'll call you.
All right, we ready on Brown?
Yes.
Come on up, counsel. Mr. Brown, come on up. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Brown, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court attorney Phyllis Gay Robinson, P 71733 on behalf of Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, please state your name for the record.
Terrence Brown.
Good morning. What are we doing today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mann, Reactor of People, P 84088.
And good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Leckie, appearing on behalf of this court under permission of, Michigan Court Rule 8.120B.
Granted.
Thank you.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, Mr. Brown has been made an offer. I'd like to take advantage of it.
Tell me about
Yes. Your Honor, the defendant is going to be pleading to guilty to count 1 domestic violence under MCL 7694A. We ask that the defendant be sentenced to 1 year probation, no contact with any witness. Defendant must complete batter's intervention and substance abuse evaluation anyway. And whatever brings off with the school.
Right. I'm normally inclined to do a pre-sentence investigation on this. Go ahead.
So a couple of things. One, we would ask that it be a no assaultive contact as they do have children together.
Okay.
With regards to the pre-sentence report, I have spoken with sister counsel. It is my understanding that the complaining witness does not wish to make a statement. We were preparing for the potential of having to come back, but I think that sister counsel will be in agreement to the immediate sentencing if the court is willing to.
Okay. Criminal history?
I'm sorry to interrupt, Your
And-
Honor. Regarding modifying the terms from no contact.
Let's not get there yet.
Okay.
Any criminal history?
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Where do you work?
Four.
How long?
5 years.
All right. Any objections to an immediate sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let's talk about what the agreed terms of the plea were.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I'll let this one.
So, Your Honor, we would have no issue amending the no contact to allowing communication through child support only, but it's not a no assaultive. Just a no contact with the permission that you can communicate for our child.
It would be no contact except regarding the minor children.
There, you know what? I heard about it like one time. There's supposedly there's some, I don't know if it's an agency or process through the front of the court that's like a third party that all communications go through. And there was a cute little name for it.
In this court order, I don't see why not.
I can order anything until somebody tells me no.
So this is the thing. There's no child custody, child support matter that has ever gone through the Third Circuit Court for these kids. They've
Okay.
always been in these kids' lives.
They've just done co-parenting on their own. Yeah. Yeah.
In place there.
Right.
That system because they're not in that system.
All right. I don't know if that's true. I mean, it sounds logical. All right.
Say he has to reach out to her mother to say, hey, I want to get the kids on.
Mother-in-law work?
My mom is great.
Your mom or her mom? Who are we gonna use?
Mother stays in Florida.
right. But she gets along with your mother, okay?
Judge, I would be concerned, we don't necessarily have to narrow it down to the mother, I would be okay with, no contact except with third parties regarding the minor children.
That's fine.
Okay, so that's one condition we've agreed on. What else? Delayed sentence for how long? 12 months? All right. Any other conditions?
Just those previously stated on the record.
That's why I'm asking, because I didn't write them down.
Okay. Be a mental health evaluation and treatment, substance abuse evaluation. And all that would be taken under 7694.
All right. Counsel, in agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, that would include Badlands intervention as well.
Yes, I apologize.
All right, so the way I do is I order the evaluations, and then if the evaluations recommend treatment, we'll talk about that. Understood?
Yes, that's my understanding of this.
What, were there any terms discussed about the batterers counseling? Because there's, some are very specific, long programs, some are just batterers counseling. Was there any discussion?
There was no discussion, Your Honor. I would prefer a program that is minimum of 6 months. But since it was not newly offered, Blackpool Defense Counsel was that. Your Honor.
I'll tell you what I'm comfortable with. Somebody that my probation department uses and knows they do a good job. How's that?
That works. Sure.
So I'll make a note as directed by probation. All right, so mental health, substance abuse eval, batters counseling, and the no contact except third party. That's it?
Yes, sir.
How many kids we talking about? Youngest? How old?
3.
Oldest?
But
Is the complainant here today?
She is not, Your Honor, our victim advocate won't just spoke with her, she does not want to give. the-
Okay. All right. Anything else before I sentence?
Nothing from the meeting.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 12-month delayed sentence. The evaluation for mental health and substance abuse. Batters counseling is directed by probation, no contact except through third parties regarding the kids only. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $500. It looks like you already owe us some money on some old civil infractions. Are you in a position, $760 on the 2 speeding tickets? Are you in a position to commit to some kind of a payment plan today?
Yeah, I really want to get a garnished out my check, so I want to know.
I don't even know if we'll do that, but before you leave the building, I'm ordering it. Before you leave the building, have a plan with my downstairs clerks to get that taken care of. If they can do that, we'll do it. All right, good. All right. All right, now official sentencing's over. Now I got a lecture. 6 kids, young kids. You are going to be dealing with their mother for a long time. Agreed? Okay. I wish she was here so I could lecture you both about this. At one point, you two loved each other to make 6 babies together. You have to be at least as civil with each other as you would be with the person you order your coffee from at Starbucks. You have to figure out how you can civilly co-parent for the benefit of those 6 babies. Because, Dad, how many daughters you got? Do you want any one of your daughters to have to choose to invite you or their mother to the wedding because they can't comfortably have both of you there without worrying about what's going to happen? Do you want that for your little girls? All right. So obviously things went south in the relationship. You got to fix whatever's going on. So for those kids, you can be at least as civil as you would be to a stranger in the street. You got to, and it's going to be hard. So once again, I wish she was here to hear this, because if you need help with that, we got people, if all the stuff I just ordered here doesn't help you put the tools in your toolbox so you can be that dad going forward, then you come back here and just on your own come and say, I need help learning what I need to learn so I can get along with their mother for the benefit of my children. Would you make that promise to me? For your babies. All right, I'm done. Good luck.
No factual.
Oh, I didn't take the plea yet.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. I gotta wait. We got all on the sentencing stuff. So you understand your rights and options. You understand the possible penalty for the charge. Understanding all of that, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily. What was the incident date? You know the incident date, counsel?
I have
January 15th. Where at? City of Sumter, Township of Sumter. Or dear.
On the date and time stated in the record, did you have an assaultive contact with the mother?
yes.
Ladies, satisfied?
yes, sir.
Mr. Lickey, satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Now we're done. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Are we ready on Riley?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, counsel. Your appearance, please.
Johnson appearing on behalf of Riley.
Come on up, Mr. Riley.
Riley's third.
Good morning, Mr. Riley. What do we got?
Judge, we are trying to schedule it for a.
Exam? March 26th available? Okay. March 26th? That work for you? Afternoon?
6, 7. Yeah.
How about April 30?
April 3rd.
30.
Recorded 9.
I can go out to May 7th. If that doesn't work, we got to get Heather involved. That work? Yeah. How about 11 o'clock in the morning? Mr. Riley, that works? Anything as to bond, counsel?
Judge asked for continuing.
It will. Bond continued. All right, Mr. Riley, have a seat. We're gonna get you a paper notice with that date on it.
See you, Judge. I haven't seen.
Always apply. I was thinking when I saw you walk in, it's been a while. Hope. Good morning, counsel.
Morning, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. Counsel, your appearance for Pope, please.
It's Jason Ross on behalf of Ms. To my right, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. Counsel, I'm trying to find your lady on my list. There she is. All right, what are we doing?
Judge. Trial or pre-trial conference is better.
Good.
Prosecutor, we are going to be accepting a plea to impaired on this one.
Wow, that's a little unusual.
Judge, this is it's about 15 months old. So this has been quite a while since it occurred. She's gone through treatment. She's working full-time.
Good for you.
She's set to graduate. She's done a lot, and I think that's why we were given the benefit in this case.
Huge benefit. So what are you doing? What are you going to school for?
I go to school for mental health and social work. I'm also planning on going back to get my surgical technician. It's always what I wanted to do, but I graduated May 17
From where?
from OCC.
Good for you. All right. Okay, I'm assuming you're going along with this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So if I'm reading this correctly, the agreement is that I actually send her for a pre-sentence investigation.
That's correct.
I'm not even sure I have the authority to do it on a civil infraction, but who's going to argue? But you're not going to argue, are you? I'm going to take a plea to impaired. Oh, I'm reading it. I'm reading that as impeding traffic.
Okay.
That's why I was like, this is quite the deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. We're all right then. All right. So did you go over your rights and options with counsel? You understood all that? And you understand the possible penalty for the charge? The new charge?
Yes.
Yes.
In understanding all of that, are you pleading to that added charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Counsel, you want to board here? December 1, 23 in Romulus?
December 23 readings. And prior to then, had you consumed alcohol?
No.
I'm saying prior. Did you have on that day, did you have a run-in with the police?
Yes.
And prior to that run-in, had you consumed alcohol?
Yes.
And you believe that alcohol impaired your ability to drive?
Satisfied? I'm satisfied if you are. All right, so I'll dismiss the original charge, refer you to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation and sentencing. Counsel, if you stick around for a few minutes, you can have some input on the actual sentencing date.
Perfect.
And we got a personal bond. We'll continue bond. Should do it. Questions? Have a nice day.
Good rest of your day.
Good call, counsel.
Patient should be able to.
Perfect.
Are all of you waiting for an attorney?
I'm not making them out.
Okay. You're just waiting for the case. I got a victim online.
Morning, my name's Oakley. And one, my name is Stuart. I mean, I have
All right, so count one is going to be pled down to an attempt, count one, right?
Yes.
Okay, and count three is dismissed.
Count.
No,
Two is dismissed, yeah.
Plead to count 3.
straight up on three, dismissed two. Okay, I think I got it.
We'll end up with 2 misdemeanors, felonies. Community service, he didn't talk about probation or PSI, he added that and handed it to me, I don't know if that's standard.
Yeah, with the drinking and driving, yeah.
And are we able to do an immediate sentencing? And I only ask because he is.
Today,
Yeah.
No, because I gotta get the PSI done. Well, I shouldn't say no, unlikely. We'll check with probation, see if they got if they have time to do all that today. What's the timing issue? What's the problem, Council?
Oh, well, the one thing is he works like double shifts almost every day and has for a decade. The other thing is, he's already doing 2 to 3 times a week therapy.
Good, where at?
Yeah.
Oh, a pack of peace.
Never heard of it. I'm sorry.
He's on probation from you.
Oh, he is already. Oh, okay, all right,
Yeah.
okay.
So he's.
Well, yeah, then we can, yeah, that makes it more, when was he sentenced on the other case?
He was 20% still on his.
How long?
How long?
I just.
I'm looking.
Just do it.
Okay, you're not on probation here
Yes.
with Officer Grant? How long have you been on probation with him?
Maybe 6 or 8 months
Okay. All right,
here. Sure.
we'll see what we can do today. Okay. All right. So you understand your rights and options after discussing those, Ms. Kolke?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charges today? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to these charges freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you voir dire? I've got an incident date of February 10.
Yes. Mr. Stewart, on February 10th, 2024, did you knowingly and attempt to possess a controlled substance? And on that date, did you operate a vehicle? Was it on a public roadway? And was that while under the influence of a combination of alcohol and a controlled substance?
Yes.
So am I. I'll dismiss original count 1 and count 2 and send him downstairs to talk to the probation department. You got other files you're working right now?
Yeah.
Why don't you go down and, usually it's Ms. Tiroli that works with me for probation,
Okay.
but because he's already on probation with Mr. Grant, let's see if Mr. Grant's comfortable. He's not here.
Oh, to be honest, my main concern is I just don't want him to have to take off.
Oh, I know, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm trying to make it easier on him. Yeah, that's not gonna help me get you sentenced on this, because all he knows about this is it's pending. Go down and talk to Ms. Tiroli, let her know what's going on with his current probation, and see if she's got time to do some kind of an update and bring me a verbal report. I don't need a written report from her. And I'll let you take the file. If we can't, we can't, but we'll try to do what we can. You're welcome. You're welcome, sir.
Lucky and I give those
Sure.
not related to.
Okay.
Going forward, what is your stance on me motioning to practice under the court rule?
Absolutely.
Like continuing permission versus you wanted to ask.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'll give you a blanket permission right now.
Okay.
Want on the record, say something else.
Yeah, if we could just put it on the record.
Yeah. So when are you gonna get a P number?
Hopefully in 2 months.
Okay, good.
Got it. And one.
I'm ready on Carter. Mr. Carter. Come on up. Counsel, your parents?
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Maynard for the people, P 84088.
Morning, Your Honor. Alexander Ignacio, Neighborhood Defender Service, P 8745. Mr. Lockhart, Mr. Power Police Station.
Thanks, Lockhart.
Thank you. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, we are setting this matter.
All right.
We do have some outstanding discovery I've communicated with the prosecution about. I anticipate I will get that today. God willing.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right.
That is correct, Your Honor. I just sent digital discovery to defense counsel. I would request that we please set this exam maybe a couple weeks out so that I can order a certified copy of the order of convictions.
I got March 26th. I got April 30.
April 30th.
It's going to have to be April 30th. Your Honor.
Fine. How about 12 noon?
That'll work, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Continue bond?
Yes.
Done. Stick around, we'll get you a piece of paper that's got that on it.
Okay.
And Alec Larare, am I saying it right? Larare? Did I get it right? Appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dave Lefty, appearing on behalf of the Commission of Credit. The direct supervision of Attorney Patrick Benoit branch.
Granted, for any time you're in my courtroom until you get a P number.
Morning, Your Honor. Alexander, Classic Neighborhood Defender Service, P 87455, Mr. Alec Larare. Mr. Larare, please state your name for the record.
Alec Larare.
Thank you. Exam?
Hold on, Your Honor.
All right, same date. April 30. All right,
I guess that's April 30th.
April 30th.
Yes, sir.
Let's just set at the same time. What was it, 12 noon? All right, and bond continued? Having hearing nothing else. All right, Mr. LeBear, have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
Thank you.
James, is it Machesky? I said it right? Come on up.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Admin, standing with brother counsel Royce Nunley on behalf of Mr. Jacob Chesson. Take the record.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today was the date and time set for the final pretrial conference. Record plaintiff did appear, was present in court. We have waived her appearance at all future proceedings. There will be a request now for an adjournment to allow Mr. Nunley to view all video discovery, go over this with his client, make a decision at the next pretrial. They'll be doing adjournment or accepting it.
All right. We got March 26th.
You're only gonna be one, I think.
I really don't care if Royce doesn't like to come. That's my next date.
The 26th.
Yeah, tell him he should get out of the house more. It's not good for you to be isolated.
I don't see him anywhere else that day, so I'll let him.
Tell him I miss him. I want to see him in person.
So 3:26 at.
I don't care. 10 o'clock. All right, I'll continue bond. We'll get you a paper notice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that a Mohammed or a person?
That's a Mohammed case.
Deja Smith.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Deja Smith. For the date and time set for granted. Please say your name for the record.
Date.
Your Honor, waiting formal reading of the arraignment stand. You had asked the court to enter a plea of not guilty. We're going to be setting this matter for a final pretrial plaintiff. That's 2019 matter. There's been no contact.
I can do the same date.
Well, this won't be with me, Your Honor. On the 26th, I'll actually be down the street at 35th.
April
But
2.
it's a final free trial. I'm sure I can have MIDC stand in that day. You have no issue with what you're. Let's set it for the 26th.
And 10 o'clock. That work? 10 o'clock? Have a seat. We'll get you a notice. Bond continue. You're welcome.
Your Honor, this, I can't imagine it's the, whoever's here can't handle the final pretrial. I had no problems in the
Okay.
35th district that morning if the court has. If the house is on fire, you need me, I'll be here.
Got it.
I guess that's all I've got up. I need Mohammed for the rest. I'll be back in just a moment.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't think I have any paperwork on this one. I think that's civil infraction.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Joe, for the civil infractions, I could.
Okay, as I figured.
No, it's not much.
No, I know that.
I wasn't sure if they sent the stuff. Okay.
What's your client's name, counsel?
Lucas, Your Honor, good morning.
Good morning.
Second the trial date.
We'll help you with that.
Thank you. I'll get the file from the
Yeah, I don't need, all I need is your client. If all you're doing is setting a trial,
Probably we need Mohammed to make sure they can.
it's gonna be a Wednesday. Right?
Yeah, good, you're good.
I spoke with the prosecutor on my way here, made my My drive time football.
There you go. All right, your appearance, Mr. Wilkins.
Thank you, Attorney Kiana Frank, P73015, and Jackson.
Good morning. A jury or bench?
Jury, And they discussed with people understanding current APA is meeting this May 16th. That's a Monday.
For jury trial, we have to figure out what
Oh, she said they just talked about May 16th.
May 16th?
We were under.
Is that us? Yeah, we can't do a jury on it. Yeah,
Yeah, so.
yeah, we need him. Yeah, tell Mr. Lecky, come in, bring his calendar.
Oh.
For Clarence Stewart,
Oh, maybe we're at 19.
I'm sorry, Bill. So
if, for Clarence Stewart, you wanted the immediate with Emily?
if she's got time to do it.
If you have
Yeah.
time to do it.
And she knows he's recently sentenced on another file with Tony.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I think we're at the 19th. The 19th is a Monday.
That might be. How about May 19th?
Thank you.
May 19th is a Monday.
Okay.
Why can't you do three things?
I mean, too. Oh, it's 4.
That's arrogant. Did you say I can do 3? I can't do 4. Shut up. That's basically that's what I heard is I can do 3, but you're 4. Shut up.
Let me get rid of them. Okay, so. The 19th, May 19th, we're good. If that what you said.
Yeah, I think just I probably mix it.
Oh, so it
Our
was.
discussion.
Okay, yep.
Let's just confirm. Mr. Lecky, May 19th, Monday, jury trial?
Sorry, just maybe approach for this briefly.
Sure.
Judge, in these reasons for which she is not in election. Just even for the big setting. She is. Yeah.
But it's like the music.
I can just get the ticket, they're gonna fight.
And
Yeah. And
I don't want to.
and we don't. Are you for?
Sure, yes.
And
And is 3203. 30 days.
Yes.
It'll be in, yeah, which. Yeah.
That's fines and costs. Right?
Find the, yeah, total the issue is.
How long do we?
21. And then.
You might go.
I would. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, at least you got to understand. So 30 days.
Better than the old.
Yeah. And I just. No, I don't want her to find out in court and have an outburst.
no, she's not.
I haven't asked her like.
I'm like, have a day. Proceeding last week on May 12th. He's responding. Was placed on the record that she family judge took her forecast. She's very busy. Family now. Well,
Worst areas.
he's right now saying, so it's not an order on the day. So for it was the estimate came back, so that's it. No, I'm not asking for it. She can you actually them. With that, I'm objecting.
No, doesn't hurt him.
But you know, she could have done that on my way. She, and Zoom, see that already.
You guys good?
But then, but then, no, that isn't changing, but this just goes into the same thing she's doing. Matters. He's playing this victim.
He's not right to talk to me.
And she could have. So I don't see why she can't just put it on Zoom and it can be done. She can talk to her afterwards.
The date's already on. Already given the date. I just confirmed it with him and he walked in the door. The date's set.
So then what should be done? What else is there?
I would just ask them to call the case and confirm on the record from Davis because she does want to be present and she just has.
Well, he should have listened.
No, she is not because we told her we would come get her when the case was. We did not know the case.
Well, let's do this. You go tell her that I picked the date. She's got some problem with that. Then I'll put her on record here. She's got this.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll confirm that with her.
That's why I get the big dollars.
Someone's gotta make the decisions, Judge.
Might as well be me. Thank you, Joe.
What's the date? Because
And nothing else ready?
Mohammed's very busy. Yes, I want him 18 minutes. I go to the notices, okay.
I don't think it's gonna change. Patricia wanted to talk to the victim about it. The victim wanted problems and we're gonna put her on Zoom so I can hear what she's got to say.
Richardson.
Mr. Hadley, are you ready on Richardson? Counsel, you two can just have a seat. Just,
Thank you.
we'll get you out of here. Your appearance.
Josh has. Excuse me, appearing on behalf of Ms. Stephanie Richardson, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Please see your name. Your Honor, Ms. Richardson comes bearing, a note from she got a Michigan temporary correction from that. She is road test eligible on April 3rd.
Awesome.
So that's why we're asking for the length of the adjournment.
Yeah.
So she get a license to come back.
What time are you scheduled today, lady? I can't find you.
I've been just saying, first here.
She was.
Oh, there you are. Okay. All right. Good.
Other prior case, so.
The paperwork I've got say you owe 135. Did you pay for, that's done? Or you made a payment towards the 135?
For the 135, no, I was told to pay $575 on Monday, and then I had phone with you on Monday.
Yeah.
All right, this must be really old then.
It says it down at the bottom of the date that they printed it off.
Yeah, it's not that old. March 17th.
So the one,
All right. All right, so you just want to adjourn today's file until when?
Yeah, sometime beginning May into April should be sufficient. She's eligible.
Okay, I don't even have those dates, so Heather will set something up. Bump her into May. No, she wants to go into May.
In April, I mean, April.
April 30?
perfect.
All right.
Perfect.
Have a seat. We'll get you notice for April 30.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Mananak?
Judge Mavis, Franny Left, and I briefly approach.
Sure.
Judge, I just wanted to confirm I spoke with complaining witness, advised her of the date. We do not need to, I'm not asking to recall the case.
Okay, we're done.
Thank you.
Well, you didn't get your notice yet. Paper notice.
No, he didn't get it
We'll
yet.
get it.
Okay. Or will it just be mailed out? Okay.
Have a great day, people.
See you guys.
Same here.
The offender was on for some defendant was civil infraction.
And then, yes.
Make sure that's right.
Is that?
Oh, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any, and. Why,
Yeah, I can't find this attorney for Zalong Zhang. I can't find that name anywhere.
So I have the paperwork in there.
Your
On
Honor,
Zoom?
It's a ticket. It's a ticket.
Oh, that's why.
Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Zhang.
All right, counsel, give me a second. They just want
Thank
to
you.
turn Illinois on. Civil infraction.
I'll mail out notice for the next date in 30 days.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Much appreciated. Everyone have a
Yep.
great day.
You too, thank you.
Be
Thank you.
safe.
You too.
I'm not driving. Did you see him?
I thought George didn't want to say nothing.
What happened?
He's driving. He's zooming while he's driving. Or at least the car was moving. Maybe he's got a chauffeur. I don't know.
He's
In this chaotic courtroom session, Judge Oakley spends nearly 15 straight minutes juggling missing attorneys, confused scheduling, Zoom problems, delayed hearings, and non-stop case adjournments while trying to keep total control of a packed docket. The hearing begins with attorneys scrambling to coordinate dates while one defendant waits for a possible license restoration after finally passing a road test. She road tested on April, but things quickly spiral into confusion as the judge struggles to locate files, missing attorneys, and updated case information while defendants continue waiting for answers. I can't find this attorney anymore. Then the courtroom suddenly turns hilarious after someone appears on Zoom while apparently driving a moving car during court proceedings. He's zooming while he's driving. The entire courtroom bursts into jokes as the judge compares the situation to the Lincoln lawyer and jokes about wanting a personal chauffeur himself someday. Maybe he's got a chauffeur. Meanwhile, the chaos behind the scenes only gets worse. Court staff rapidly discuss plea deals, discovery problems, missing prosecutors, delayed examinations, and cases that may completely fall apart before trial. This is not a typical Wednesday. At one point, even the judge admits the entire day feels unusually disorganized and exhausting compared to normal court sessions. This is dragging even more than most Wednesdays. The courtroom then drifts into casual conversations about family resemblance, aging, concerts in Detroit, and attorneys trying to survive the endless court calendar. We're all over the place. Despite the non-stop confusion, the judge somehow keeps the courtroom moving while attorneys continue negotiating plea deals, adjournments, and discovery issues in real time. By the end of the session, it becomes obvious that real courtrooms are often far less dramatic than TV shows, and much more about judges, clerks, and attorneys trying to survive total scheduling chaos for hours at a time. Do you think real courtroom chaos is more interesting than dramatic TV court shows? Like and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.